In this video, I'll take you through a few of the tools that will allow you to do digital diagnostics. I do not have time to cover them all, and the ones that I do cover, I will do so fairly quickly. Let's get started. So this is the dental arch analysis. You get a quick overview of the width of each tooth, as well as the total length of each arch. In this view, you can also draw your own ideal arch using a couple of small tools. This arch will be useful if you want to do treatment planning later on. There's also a general reports section where you will be able to do tooth width analysis, space analysis, and bolt-on analysis. All these reports are generated automatically. In the bolt-on analysis, the system has calculated a 0.80 ratio for the anterior teeth. If you type in the ratio that you were looking for, let's say 0.77, the system will tell you how much space you'll need to find or remove in each jaw. Also, there are a few diagnostic features that are more interactive. Let's take the overbite and overjet feature, for instance. As soon as I select the feature, the system rotates the scan and cuts the scan in two so that I can see the incisors and the laterals better. Now it's just a matter of you clicking the teeth and the system will calculate the overbite and overjet for you. There are also tools that are even more interactive that will allow you to do near automatic scorings such as PAR and ABO. Another easy to use tool is the occlusion map. This gives you a heat map of the occlusion and you can adjust the color scale in real time. Before I wrap up, I have three more tools to show you. These tools are very powerful and have much more functionality than I'll be able to show you. So please hang in there while I do a super fast overview. The first one is the virtual articulator. This is a very powerful tool that allows you to examine the occlusion of the patient after you made changes to the bite, like you would do in the treatment planning part of the system. Here's how it works. You select your preferred articulator from the list. And let me just remove the incisal pin here so you can see a little better. You click the play button to start simulating the chewing motions. You can now examine the contact points based on the simulation. Let me just hide the lower jaw so you can see what I mean. And just look here how clearly the contact points are defined. As I start doing a virtual setup where I move the teeth, you will immediately be able to see the consequences to the occlusion. I'll show you the virtual setup feature in the next video. The second feature I want to show you is what we call the cross-section tool. There are a lot of features within this tool, but in the interest of time, I'll just show you this quick feature. I'll draw a line down the middle of the scan here. Also, I could choose one of the existing planes instead, such as the sagittal plane. I now cut the scan into two for a better viewing experience. I can follow the curvature of the arch while still keeping the cutting angle on the screen. The small 2D picture in the corner allows me to do several measurements should I want to do that. And then the last feature in this video, 3D measurement. It is basically a box of tools that will allow you to perform measurements in 3D. A couple of examples could be measuring the height of the upper incisor, or measuring the distance to the occlusal plane, or a 3D curve across the palate. Again, lots of other tools available and you can check all of them out on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.